Hey, Mom, is bugs good to eat?
Let's not talk about these things at the dinner table.
Okay.
That was delicious. Now, what did you want to tell me?
Oh, nothing. There's a bug in your soup, and now it's gone.